Welcome to mantechhd. In this video we are showing you the all-new 2022 Mazda CX-5 and its production. Mazda revealed the all-new 2022 CX-5 facelift last month. The car in its new version featured a sharp design language and was seen in a brand new exterior splash called Zircon Sand. While Malaysians will have to wait until 2022, or more, to see the new CX-5 in person, Japan will get to see it first. Let's check about its interior and exterior, reviews, features and specifications as well as price. So, stay tuned and enjoy the video. Mazda Motor Corporation has announced plans to expand its SUV lineup from 2022 onwards. Two new models from the company's large product group, the Mazda CX-60 and Mazda CX-80, will be introduced throughout Europe during the next 2 years. Alongside these new models, the Mazda CX-5, which has been recently updated, remains one of the core models driving Mazda's business globally. The CX-5, and other models such as the CX-30, will continue to play a key role in Mazda's crossover SUV lineup. The evolution of design, product improvements, and the introduction of the latest safety technologies and connectivity features are continuously enhancing the model lineup, maintaining their appeal. The CX-5 is more upscale than the majority of other compact SUVs in the class. Premium materials and an upscale design help the Mazda stand out as one of the high-end options. One of the main elements that give the CX-5 its high-end look is its clean dashboard design and uncluttered center console layout. The SUV's crisp dials, comfortable seats, available leather upholstery, and optional real wood trim give the CX-5 a luxury SUV feel. If we talk about the powertrain of CX-5, we found the base engine is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder that makes 187 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. A turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder will continue to be available, producing 250 HP and 320 pound-foot of torque. Both engines come with a 6-speed automatic transmission. We found its infotainment and connectivity. About every model boasts a 10.3-inch infotainment display that's primarily manipulated through a rotary controller and volume knob on the center console. The interface also operates through voice commands and buttons on the steering wheel. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard across the board. The CX-5 comes with Mazda connected services that includes access to remote vehicle functions via a smartphone app and a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot. The estimated starting price of Mazda CX-5 is $26,545. If you get some information from our video, so please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for watching more videos of mantechhd.